All right, hello to whoever may be watching. Today I will be showing off the third assignment, I believe, for computer graphics. Um, my name is Diego Patterson, and I want to start off by first showing off that it works and everything like that. So what we were tasked to do was adapt the code that he gave us before um, from the book and add a second player to it. So if we go here with WASD, I can move the second character. With arrow keys, I can move the first, and as you can see, they can also move at the same time. With Q, I can shoot as the second character, and with F, I can shoot as the first character. So, as such, we can actually play this game. However, I will say this, I am very bad at it, so I'm not going to go too deep into that as that is not what I will be showing off today. All right, and now that we moved over to this, I will be doing a quick showcase of what I worked on, which was namely the key binding and some small fixes on the UI. So over here we have our bind key, um, which the goal here was to avoid repeating the same key binding code over and over, so we made use of this. This method makes use of JPanel and a key name like up or left, and uses swings input map and action map with when in focus window, which allows the game to receive input as long as the window is active, not just with a specific component being the focus. So for each key, I bind two actions. One is for pressed, one is for released. This allows for smooth tapping and everything like that. And then we move into the main, as well as, so with this, I simply just set up the window size, so I don't really want to go too deep into it. Um, It was just simple setting up the size as at the start. And then we're moving on to the control panel. Um, so this includes a level selector using a JCombo box, a new game button and quit game button. These were already in there before, but I feel like they're important to mention given the fact that I am talking about the UI right now. And then moving on to our player binding controls right there. So I used a helper function or helper method to bind movement keys such as up, down, left, right, as well as F key for firing. Um, this allowed me to do it more properly, but when adding in a second player, we needed to add more stuff as well, like WASADQ, which I should probably unhighlight for that because that is the actual one that I changed. Um, and using that binding, we made it so that we could have two players in the game at the same time by having two different key sets. That is very important if we want to have two people because obviously, given the fact that we're not going over the internet and it's local, um, you need two different control sets for two people to play at the same time. And that's about it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good night.